A great nail gun should have three factors: the ability to drive nails quickly and neatly, easy to use, and durable. These are just some of the things to look for when choosing all of the options to ensure you get the best for your money. To help you with the process of selecting, we'd like to introduce you to our top 5 picks for the best nail guns on the market today. So please join us as we introduce them one by one, letting you become more familiar with their distinct features. If you're ready, let's start. Taking the top spot on our list is the Ryobi 18V 1 Plus 18 gauge brad nailer and 16 gauge straight nailer combo kit. This holds the record of being the world's largest 18V system with the capability to drive 5/8 to 2 inch long nails, and drives them 3/4 to 2.5 inch nail finishers without splits or exposed heads. The nailers are equipped with a depth of drive adjustment mechanism with convenient dial to regulate and optimize air pressure. It has a selectable drive shift that offers single sequential or contact actuation and a dry fire lockout feature that extends the life of the tool. There are 2 non-marring pads which protect the work surface from tool marks. It uses a 1.3 amp lithium-ion battery, which is 45% lighter and offers 20% more runtime. The dual chemistry charger charges the batteries for about an hour and has indicator lights to show when the batteries are fully charged. The maintenance mode on the charger is designed to keep the stored batteries conditioned for maximum performance. This highly in-demand tool is covered by a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. Our next item is the DEWALT 20V 18 gauge brad nailer kit. This cordless nailer is equipped with a brushless motor, which is known for optimum durability and runtime. It's powered by 20V max lithium-ion batteries, eliminating the need for gas, hoses, or compressors, and ensures effective completion of all your carpentry tasks. This remarkable tool is perfect for fastening casing, decorative molding, shoe molding, and kitchen crowns. It drives 5/8 to 2.1/8 inch 18 gauge nails into proper placement with ease, with the help of a micro nose, which improves the accuracy and line of sight. Working becomes more efficient and quicker when you use this nailer with pneumatic tool features, letting you tackle small and large workloads. It features a tool-free jam release and depth adjustment, easy clearing of all nail jams, and countersinking. Another advantage you get is the selectable trigger for contact or sequential actuation modes. This 18 by 6 by 11 inch nailer comes with a stall release lever that helps you reset the driver blade quickly in case of a stall. The multifunctional LED lights illuminate the workspace while providing tool diagnostics. It also features a low nail lockout to prevent unwanted marks on the surface and dry firing. The adjustable belt hook can be placed on the right or left for better user convenience while working. Complete your job to a satisfactory finish using either of these 2 premium nailers on our list. If you're already familiar with either of them, it'll be our pleasure to know your experience or your opinions in the comments section. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon to give you notifications when the newest videos we upload. And now back to our list. At number 3 is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18V Nailer Kit. This 16 gauge straight finish nailer is designed to deliver unmatched driving power, accuracy, and speed of a pneumatic gun, giving you control and comfort while performing your job or completing your do-it-yourself project. It's equipped with compact power state brushless motor, which is known for its exceptional torque, speed, and durability. And with the power of the ready-to-fire technology, expect a peak performance that fully sinks 2.5 inch nails with 0 ramp-up time in solid oak or tougher materials. This 12 by 11 by 3 inch nailer is powered by the revolutionary 2 amp red lithium battery, which provides unbeatable runtime and power without the hassle and mess of maintaining gas cartridges. It features the most advanced electronic system RedLink Plus intelligence that keeps the nailer and battery from issues of overheating or overloading. In fact, this is the only cordless nailer in the world as of today that's capable for this guarantee. It's equipped with sequential and contact actuation, tool-free depth of drive adjustment, tool-free jam release, non-marring nose pad, dry fire lockout, nail quantity indicator, and an easy-to-adjust belt hook. It comes with an LED light to make the work surface more visible. It does not require oil replacement and is another advantage of using a battery-operated tool. It comes with a 90-day return guarantee. At number 4 is the RIDGID 23-gauge pinner nailer and 18-gauge brad nailer kit. This mighty combo tool is ideal for finished carpentry jobs and trim work. The pinner nailer features a headless pinner dual actuating trigger system that prevents accidental actuation by nailing 5/8 to 1 3/8 inch of 12-gauge headless pins with precision. It's an ideal choice for light wood assembly, finished carpentry, and trim work, as well as pinning joints and attaching molding. The brad nailer is equipped with the industry-leading fasten edge technology that guarantees satisfying output. The oilless motor eliminates the hassle of daily oiling and messy oil splatters on your work surface, while the dry fire lockout extends the motor's life. This sequential fire mode brings accurate power placement of fasteners and high productivity. The selectable trigger lets you choose between sequential or contact fire. It has an internal piston catch that produces consistent driving power and a magazine which allows varying lengths of the fastener. The two nailers come with a quick connect swivel connector that effectively reduces hose tangle and a reversible belt hook for more convenient storage and carrying. The no-mar pads prevent damage or scuffing, providing cleaner operation. This kit is covered by the industry's only lifetime service agreement. To avail yourself of the service warranty, register within 90 days of purchase. Our final choice at number 5 is the Porter Cable 18-gauge pneumatic brad nailer kit. It features a specifically designed hardening driver blade that guarantees long life and usability. Each kit has a nailer, brads, 1/4 inch fitting, owner's manual, and a carrying case. This 13 by 4 by 13 inch carpentry tool is constructed with a lightweight yet ultra-strong magnesium body. The maintenance-free, oilless motor keeps the work surface clean and unmarred, despite heavy workloads. It's capable of driving 5/8 to 2 inch long 18-gauge nails without any hitch using a sequential style trigger. It features a tool-free depth of drive adjustment with detents, helping you set the nail heads properly. For easy nail removal, it's equipped with a tool-free jam release feature. A low nail reload indicator alerts you to reload immediately, helping you finish your project or job quicker. There's a rear exhaust that effectively keeps debris and contaminants away from the surface. Another cool component of this brad nailer is the integrated rubber grip that enhances comfort for even longer periods of use. The removable non-marring nose tip comes with on-tool storage for more convenience, while the adjustable belt hook helps keep it within reach when you need to use it. It's covered by a 90-day return warranty in case you're not satisfied with its performance. Well, that sums up our review of the top 5 nail guns. Some of the best nail guns lessen the time to complete your job, giving you a guarantee that you're going to drive your nails according to industry standards. If you're ready to purchase one now, just click the link to the product of your choice and get it at a great price. If you'd like to see any other products being reviewed, leave them in the comment box and we'll give it our best and utmost attention to grant your request. And please don't forget to tap the bell icon to get more notifications from us and for more product reviews. Join our growing community by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you for joining us with our 5 best nail gun review. We'll see you in our next video.